Enjoy the view of this 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Chevrolet Tahoe, the full-size SUV that has the space, power, amenities, and technology you need to tackle a challenge in comfort and style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, active suspension, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, backup camera, remote engine start, heated rear seat, power passenger seat, keyless start. Powerful workhorse meets comfortable cruiser in the Tahoe. Treat yourself to a road test.